Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting Bad Omen, kill the patrol captain, or clear a pillager outpost to acquire it. Once done, head straight to the village edge and don your armor and shield. Don't waste time. Make sure to stash villagers in secure buildings and block doors to funnel illagers. Keep arrows and healing ready. You need mobility and control. Move in quickly to trigger the raid and claim the first wave before they spread, because early control prevents overwhelming numbers later. Once the raid begins, prioritize threats. Eliminate Ravagers and Evokers early since they cause the most damage and summon Vexes. Use choke points like narrow alleys or fenced gates to force enemies into predictable paths. This helps with aim and reduces flanking. Make sure to hold an elevated or defended position for ranged attacks and keep a villager safe room as a fallback. Rotate healing and potion use. When several enemies cluster, hit them with area attacks, but pull back to avoid getting surrounded. To finish, concentrate on remaining captains or evokers to break the raid fast and prevent additional waves. Once the final wave falls, clear the area of Vexes and loot all drops, but don't forget to remove Bad Omen with milk if you need peace. Otherwise, leave it on for quick re-raiding. Make sure to repair damaged doors and beds, free any trapped villagers, and resupply arrows and potions. Troubleshooting tip. If overwhelmed, retreat to a fortified house. Block the entrance, heal up, then counterattack from cover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.